Okay, girls, it's windy, but there are some of my bird things. That's the house I've put up for the bluebirds. Then we pan over here, and there are our feeders. They're usually very full, but today it's really windy, so they're not here. But it does cost a lot to feed those. Every other day we have to fill them. I don't know why, but we do. Anyway, that's about what I wanted to show you. Just a quickie. Oh, now the sun's coming out. Nice. So, I sit from my window, stand around here and there, and I can watch the birds. It's fun. Well, I'm going to go back in now. Push the little button.